So we start off today's video with another amazing hair transformation. Wow. Beautiful pixie bob style. Look at that height, that volume within this cut. Absolutely gorgeous. And this particular stylist is known to do some amazing pixie bobs. He is able to just make his clients look so gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Next up, we see this bleached pixie cut. So we already saw the inspiration behind this one. Baby bangs in the front. Oh, I am absolutely loving this. Such a fun and chic hairstyle. And it does feature just a little bit of choppiness going there in the crown. And there the look is completely styled out. Wow, she looks amazing. Such a pretty hairstyle. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another long to short transformation. This is one of my favorite stylists for doing the long to short. He's just able to create some amazing hairstyles. Check out this textured pixie cuts. So we're actually seeing a lot of styles that are flipped under this season. It's a huge trend, especially on TikTok, and I think it's really just kind of circulating around. She does have some bangs in the front as well. And this is a great in-between length if you want to get a pixie, but you want to go a little bit shorter than you would a traditional bob style. And then the little flipped out effect in the back just gives it some texture to play around with. So next up, we see someone with long hair. She has this amazing sheen, and it looks like the stylist did his signature pixie bob haircuts. Absolutely gorgeous. And once again, this is a great option if you want to keep some length. You don't want to go super short with a traditional pixie, but you want to go shorter than you would a traditional bob. So let us know in the comments below which hair transformation from today's video is your favorite. Always curious to know which styles you are loving the most. So next up, we have this really cute curly shaggy cuts. I've been featuring tons more shaggy styles, mullets, and layered haircuts within the videos that I've been creating lately. They are just trending so heavily on Instagram and TikTok, and they're definitely a favorite. So next up, we have someone who's come to the salon for a little bit of a trim. So it looks like she's getting the sides shaven. I love how the stylist has like this blue beard. Very cool. So he's creating a really nice texture here within the cutting. Oh, wow. Face framing bangs, loving the undercuts. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna leave off today's video with this ash blonde pixie. I hope that you guys have enjoyed all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.